English First Class GK Worksheet Class 1 Completive Worksheet. Fill in the blanks. The longest river in the world is Nile. TH the LONGEST RIVER river INTHE in the world's WORLDS world's is 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 Nile NILE Nile. Diwali is the festival of lights. DIWALI Diwali is the IS is TH the Diwali is the festival. FESTIVAL festival of 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 LIGHTS lights. Pumpkin is a fruit. PUMPKIN pumpkin. IS is a fruit. FRUIT fruit. Our Indian flag is known as tricolor. OUR our INDIAN Indian flag. FLAG flag. His IS is NOKNOWN known as 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 tricolor. TRICOLOUR tricolor. There are 24 spokes on the Indian flag. THERE there ARER 24 spokes. SPOKES spokes on the ON on THE the INDIAN Indian flag. FLAG Indian flag. A gardener. A GARDENER gardener takes 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 care of the CARE care OF of THE the PLANT planet and 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 trees TREES trees. A gardener takes care of the planet and trees. The driver of this school bus drive us to school and back. THE the driver. DRIVER driver. OF of THE the SCHOOL school. Bus BUS bus. DRIVES drives. USTO us to school. SCHOOL school and 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 BACK back. The driver of the school bus drives us to school and back. A nurse take care of when you fall sick. A nurse take care of when you fall sick. A nurse 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 takes 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 CARE care OF of YOU WHEN when you fall. YOU FALL fall. Sick SICK sick. A place where there are large number of trees and animals and birds are called forest. A PLACE place. WHERE where. THERE there. ARER there are. Large LARGE large. Number 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 of. OF of TREES trees. Animals 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 and AND BIRDS birds. ARER C-A-L-L-E-D, called. Forest, F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. Wash your hands before and after eating food. W-A-S-H, wash. Y-O-U-R, your hands. H-A-N-D-S, hands. Before, B-E-F-O-R-E, before. A-N-D, and. A-F-T-E-R, after. Eating, E-A-T-I-N-G, eating. Food, F-O-O-D, food. Wash your hands before and after eating food. When you are asking for something, you should say please. When, W-H-E-N, when. Y-O-U-U-A-R-E-R, asking, A-S-K-I-G, asking. For, F-O-R, for. Something, S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G, something. You, Y-O-U, should, S-H-O-U-L-D, should. Say, S-A-Y, say. Please, P-L-E-A-S-E, please. There are 8 planets. Is our solar system. T-H-E-R-E, there are, A-R-E-R-E-I-G-H-T, 8 planets. P-L-A-N-E-T-S, planets. His, I-S, his. O-U-R, our. Solar, S-O-L-A-R, solar. System, S-Y-S-T-E-M, system. Mars is known as the red planet. M-A-R-S, Mars. I-S is K-N-O-W-N, known as. A-S, as. T-H-E, the. Red, R-E-D, red. P-L-A-N-E-T, planet. A horse lives in stable. A-H-O-R-S-E, horse. Lives, L-I-V-E-S, lives. In, I-N, in. A, stable. S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. A ship lives in a pen. A, S-H-E-E-P, ship. Lives, L-I-V-E-S, lives. In, I-N, in. A pen, P-E-N, pen. A bird's home is called a nest. A birds, B-I-R-D-S, birds. Home, H-O-M-E, home. I-S, his. Called, C-A-L-L-E-D, called. A nest, N-E-S-T, nest. Insects have 6 legs. I-N, in. Insects, S-E-C-T-S, insects. Have, H-A-V-E, have 6, S-I-X, 6 legs, L-E-G-S, legs. A dogs live in a canal. A D-O-G-S, dogs. Live, L-I-V-E, live. I-N, in. A canal, K-E-N-N-E-L, canal. A policeman catches thieves. A policeman, P-O-L-I-C-E, police. M-A-N, man. Policeman catches, C-A-T-C-H-E-S, catches. Thieves, T-H-I-E-V-E-S, thieves. Your favorite game is volleyball. Y-O-U-R, your favorite game is. F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E, favorite game. G-A-M-E, game. His, I-S, his. Volleyball, W-A-L-I-B-A-L-L, volleyball. I give you wool. I am sheep. I, G-I-V-E, give. Y-O-U, you. Wool, W-O-O-L, wool. I, A-M, I am sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. I am your God and a friend too. I am dog. I am. I am your your GUARD God AND and a FRIEND friend TOO too. I am dog DOG dog. I wake you up in the morning. I am roaster. I WAKE wake YOU up. IN THE the morning MORNING.